Hey friends, today we've brought you a rechargeable LED table lamp, and the best part is, it's foldable and super compact. As you can see, it looks really cool. So let's start its making process right now. We are using a 110mm PVC pipe. With the help of a saw, we are carefully cutting it. And as you can see friends, we've already cut two neat pieces to start our lamp's making process. With the help of pliers, I'm cutting the extra PVC part. Then using a drilling machine, I make two small holes, one in the PVC circle and another in the extra piece we cut earlier. Now, after fixing them together, the holes fit perfectly just as planned. Now I'm taking a bike tube to create the flexible joints, and I've made 4 of them. Next, using nuts and bolts, I'll attach these joints to our lamp. This will make the connection strong and flexible. After fixing all the parts together, I'm tightening everything nicely with a screwdriver. And look at that, it's coming out super sturdy and smooth. It's working perfectly. Let's see what's next. Let's imagine we are working on a project, say designing a battery management system product, with enclosure and all. Sounds simple, right? Until we have component delays, board fitting issues, thermal problems, or safety compliance. That's where Altium Develop saves the day. In this, we can capture all the requirements in one environment so everyone sees them. Then, its BOM portal helps to check the selected component availability, pricing, and lifecycle status. For traditional schematic and PCB design, Altium Designer is already there. But the Altium Develop helps with MCAD, ECAD code design for mechanical engineers to check the PCB fitting. When the design is done, we get a platform where team members review and give feedback on contexts like safety and pin maps, etc. After review is done, Altium Develop generates release packages with up-to-date BOM and design documents. And it preserves version history so we know who approved what and when. Finally, Altium Develop saves all of the data like version history to evolve the product during production. Our life gets easier with Altium Develop. It is faster, safer, and smarter. If you want to develop a full electronics product, you can check the link in the description to know more about it. So friends, now we are using 3 flat PVC sheet circles. On one of them, I'm sticking a paper cutout of the same size using Fevicol. After that, I'm placing the LED light right in the center and fixing it with double tape. Once that's done, I'm attaching this setup to the lamp's body using super glue, making it strong and perfectly aligned. After everything is perfectly fixed, we bring a transparent PVC sheet. Placing it over the lamp, I carefully cut it using scissors, matching the exact shape. Then I fix it neatly on top, giving our lamp a clean and professional finish. Next, we take another PVC circle sheet and make a center hole to create the lamp stand. Using nuts and bolts, now we're using 3 PVC sheets to complete the stand, joining them securely with super glue. Next, we make holes for the charging module, and as you can see, we've drilled both holes perfectly for our setup. So friends, now we're taking 2 lithium batteries and carefully soldering them with the charging module, making sure the connections are secure and ready for our lamp. So everything is fixed perfectly. Now we're connecting the extra wires to complete the setup. Now we're adding the potentiometer to control the light brightness, wiring it neatly and connecting it with the charging module. Now we're fixing all the components on the custom-made stand. The charging point fits perfectly in its slot, super glue use, and the potentiometer is placed right beside it. Everything is securely held in place using strong clean and solid finish. After fitting the potentiometer cap, we attach heat sleeves to all the wires for protection. Then we complete the final wiring, making sure every connection is neat and secure. Using heat, we shrink the sleeves tightly around the wires to seal them properly. Finally, we apply super glue to fix everything in place. So friends, as you can see, it's completely ready now. We're connecting it to the charger, and right as we plug it in, you can see the LED light inside glowing. This means it's fully powered and ready to operate perfectly. So friends, tell me in the comments how you liked this video and share your unique ideas. Your suggestions guide me on what to create next. Now we can use this lamp at night too, perfect for reading books. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.